Welcome back, folks. Well, we're back out here in the morning. Like I said, we were gonna turn the lights off and see where our oil leak was coming from on both sides. And I never had a problem with this before, but now I'm glad we put the dye in it. Came out here and checked. Let me turn the lights off, show you where it's coming from. So Trish has put the glasses in front of the camera so you can see what we're seeing. But if you look at that front main seal, it is slinging it. That front main seal is, I'm on the other side, but it's slinging it all the way around, and that's leaking. That's what's leaking down onto the pan to the front because it's all the way across both sides. Oh man, I didn't change the seal because I didn't see any damage, but well, any little thing that can happen, especially with me, it's gonna do it. So now I think I can get the balancer off when it's still on the stand, but if not, I'll put it back on. Put it back on the build stand. But let me get these lights on. Hope you guys can see. Again, I'm gonna show you what we're using. So, thank you, dear. So yeah, this is our kit. This is the little light, black light, the glasses, and then the dye. Remember, we use this on our charger. It actually has a front main seal leaking that's blowing it. It's just like this one, but there you go. So instead of guessing, try to do as much troubleshooting as you can. That's where it's coming from. So we don't have to pull the pan, but we got to pull the harmonic balancer to get that seal. Okay, folks. So got the harmonic balancer off, and sure enough, remember we used the dye? I don't have the glasses in front of the camera here because it's too much for me to hold, but don't know if y'all can see that right there. It made it look like it was, coming out of the pan, and eventually it came out the back while it was running. But look right there, you see that seal? It's definitely leaking. That's where it's dripping down, going all the way across. Guess the point in this video, I just want to share how effective one of these dye kits, they can really save you a lot of grief. And of course you can see, on the retainer here, it goes in front, goes behind the balancer, goes in there it goes in there like this. Yeah, goes in there like this. So anyway, thought I'd share with everybody how effective. Don't make an assumption. And the charger, we thought all that oil was coming out of the back, somewhere in the back behind the valley pan. Nope. What it's doing is it is slinging it. It does it at speed, or when you've got a little crankcase pressure, I guess, under load, and it's literally coming up and over. It's slinging it so bad, it's going over and on top of the intake. That's what's going on. So it wasn't until we put the dye in that we finally figured that out. I kept chasing my tail. So anywho, this stuff, again, get that dye. It will save you a lot of heartaches. All right, folks. And she's dry as a bone. The green is what I had oil left over on that little sleeve. We replaced that. So that's where our leak was coming from. It's going all the way down the valve, or the oil pan. So I'd made the assumption, those oil pan's not sealed. No, it was that front main seal. Again, with the residual that you see there, it's just the oil I had when I put the sleeve back on. But it's dry as a bone now. We have no leaks. We ran this thing and ran it, and we are dry as a bone. So, in conclusion, again, get this dye stuff. It sure does help you troubleshoot, find where these leaks are at. So, hope everybody has a great weekend. And y'all please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.